Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Pretty cool little graphic that anybody could draw. We're going to start with an ellipse and we're going to make it 10 inches. So my ratio is locked, so it's perfect. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. And then while I'm here, I'm going to set my nudge factor on 5. Let me move these out of the way. And I'm going to click on this and hit the plus key and move it over. Then I'm going to draw a square and I'm going to make it 10 inches. And I'm going to hit P. The only line I have to take away with the virtual segment delete key is that right there. Get the smart fill tool. I'm going to go ahead and use that orange again. It'll look pretty cool. And now I can just delete this. Then I'm going to get the interactive fill tool. Then I'm going to swipe across. I'm going to put black on both ends. It's just going to turn it all black. Stretch that out a little bit. Now I'm going to bring that orange back. I just want a little bit of a black hue to those two corners. A little bit more, a little bit more. Then I'm going to bring in a white or any color. You can just do any color. And then I'm going to bring oranges on both the top and the bottom of it to kind of make that a distinctive line. That don't look half bad. Now I'm going to take this, let me move it up, Control D, double click on it, get your rotation of that node, and rotate it 60 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control. This would be a very nice one to clone, and that way you could see more of what you're doing. But if we put a black box around this, object order, back a page, it looks pretty cool because the tips, I like my blue one the best. The blue one kind of shines and the tips go into the abyss. But anyway, a little fun project. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.